Ooh. You're not really. It don't work. To the moon. Hey, get off that table.
He stole my toast too.
Get off the table.
I think Granny needs to take a drug test.
Ooh. Get off of there. Stop. No. Oh, to the moon, Alice. Ooh, crash and burn.
I'm gonna have to stay home.
She gave me some purple pills. What was those?
Oh shit, she gave you the wrong ones.
It's orange.
Those weren't,
No. I'm not doing nothing. You turn it off. Stop. Ugly.
Come on, Caden.